Okay, so before this video starts, I just want to say that if you're highly into the Renault Megane 250s or even any Renault Megane, I highly suggest you go check out Just Being Hayden. He recently bought his Megane 250 in liquid yellow. It looks absolutely amazing. He's doing great content on it. So if you're into it, I'll leave a link for his channel in the description below. Without further ado, here's the video.
I get bread, you can't even get a bread roll. I see by myself.
What is up, guys? It's Shamsi here with another video, and today I'm gonna be preparing my car for MOT because the MOT is on the 12th. I don't know what day is it today, but yeah. So my horn ain't working. Like, it's just not working at all. I was reading online, and either your horn, there's power going to the steering wheel or whatever. Either your horn is faulty or there's something going on within the steering column, and I'm 100%, I'm 50% sure that something's going on with the steering column because I didn't really put shit back right. I put it back right, but it hasn't been working since because I was trying to fix my wiper arm, man. That still isn't fixed. So just for safety measures, I went out and I got a OEM horn. Look at it, looks like a little turbo, bro. Like, literally went out and got a fucking horn. But before we do that, we're gonna go back to basics, and we're gonna take apart the steering column and find out what could actually be the problem, because you got 3 prongs that's meant to be touching the circuit board, and if it's not touching, it's not gonna do the horn. So yeah, if I manage to fix it doing that, then I can send that back and get my £15 back. But as for now, let's take apart the steering column. To take apart the steering column, you got one Torx bit here and another one up here, and it should be a T20. It should be it. Yeah, it's a T20. So yeah, let's just take that off right now. Let's just undo these quick. It's like, it's hard fucking doing it with one hand. Yeah, so that's how you undo that one. And yeah, once you got that out, you're gonna wanna you can do it either way, it doesn't really matter. You can pull it up like so the whole column can come up, or you can even pull it down. Pulling it down is, I'd say, the easiest way. Pull it down, then you pull this completely off. Is it? It's sticky. You even adjust the steering wheel to help you out a bit. Steering wheel out and down, then you'll be able to get it all the way off completely. The bottom one, 2-ish, and then yeah, you should be able to see the everything was going on at the back here. 1 second, let me find out what I'm doing first, and then I'm gonna pick up the camera again. Don't want to fuck it up for you guys. I believe it's on this module right here, because that's where I took it off, and yeah, it stopped working after that, so I'm guessing it's something to do with this side, not the left side. But yeah, to take off the right side, you're gonna wanna push down on this tab here. You just wanna do a push and pull. So every little tab or push down connector bit thingy, you just wanna push it down and pull it off. Then that's how you take it off. This part, you're gonna wanna take off these connectors here, this one here and the bottom one, and also this one right here. Be careful because it's fucking fragile. But took it all off. It's not working. The horn still isn't working. I'm not sure why. I don't know where the fuse box is for the Clio. I have no clue at all. I even got the bonnet up, try look there, nothing there. Pull this down, don't really see shit in there, to be honest. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to do some research first, and then I'll pick up the camera back. Found the fucking fuse. It's right here. Let me get some light on. Cool. 15 amp fuse diagram, same. One there, one above there. So it's just, it should be this one here. This one right here should be the fuse. I'm gonna pull it out and then check the fuse and see if it's still fucked. If it's not fucked, then definitely know it's a problem with the fucking front horn. Cool. So check the fuse is all good. I'm not 100% sure what it could be. It's most likely going to be the actual horn itself. I'm going to change that, and then I'm going to change that, and that should fix the issue. But yeah, this video is not a how-to, it's just me trying to figure out what the fuck is wrong with my car. What's wrong? Yeah, it's just me about what's wrong with my car, to be honest. There's no how-to. I'm going to take the front bumper off, and then shut the horns over, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, fucking, I don't know what the fuck to do then. I need a horn to pass MOT. Shit. Yeah, I'll pick up the camera when I'm done, I guess so. Okay, so this is the horn that you get OEM, right? This is what fucking got sent to me. It's the right shape and whatnot, but the connectors are fucking different. So I need to send this shit back and get my money back. I need to get another OEM one of this. Literally, it chills right there. I don't know. Fuck's sake. Fucking hell, man. Fucking French cars, bro. Fuck's sake. To be honest, I'm gonna have to pick up this video later. Because right now, I am stumped. I don't even know where to fucking go from here.
Wait, did you upload this today?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to pick up this video fucking later because right now it's not going to plan. Not sure what to do. I'm probably gonna bring it to Renault. Okay guys, I'm not sure you can tell by the smile on my face, but guess what fam, watch this, watch this. Look at this, yeah? It fucking works, my guy, bro. I'm so fucking gassed. Literally, it was to do with one of the connectors inside this fucking box right here. Wait, like a little prong that you push this little module into, and that has to be extended out to get the horn to work. Like literally, wait 1 second, yeah. This module here, you have to slide it in, and there's like a little prongs that's meant to touch another contact inside here, and it's meant to touch, so you got to extend it all the way out so it can touch. And then now the horn is fucking working. I can give back that fucking horn that didn't even work in the first place, get my money back. Yo, I'm fucking gassed, bruv. Now what I gotta do is just wait for my fucking tires, and then boom, MOT time. Let's go.